Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos. It's not something difficult, it's so easy, just some simple steps that I'm going to show you today, and you're going to be able to fix that problem. So now I am going to my phone, and the first thing that we need to do in order to fix that problem is to go to settings. So the solution would be on settings. So let's go to settings. And let's go down, so let's scroll down until we find Instagram. Let's click on it. Okay, so here there are a lot of features like location, contacts, but the most important thing, which is photos. So I'm gonna go to my photos, I'm gonna click on it. And here you have three options, whether you are selecting on none. So if you are selecting none, this means that you're gonna have the problem of not showing gallery photos in your Instagram because you are not allowing it in your settings. Okay, so if you are selecting none, this means that it's normal to not show gallery photos in your Instagram account. So in order to fix it, you need to switch it from none to full access, because like I'm doing now, because when you're gonna choose or select full access, this means that you're saying that you are allowing to Instagram to access to your gallery photos, and like this it's gonna show up there. So this is how you can be able to fix that problem, is by switching from none to full access, and like this you're gonna be able to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos. So this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.